Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and if you want to see how I made this new glamorous tree from Totally Dazzle, just continue to watch guys, you'll be amazed. So it took me this long to put up this tree because I've been waiting on these lights to come in, and they finally came in, so I was able to do them. They're battery operated lights, and I ordered them from Tenu, T-E-N-U. It took a while for them to get here, but I think it was worth it in the end. But let's get to the most exciting part. You know, I collab with Totally Dazzle here with Natalie, and I contacted her and told her that I wanted to do a glam Christmas tree, and I wanted to find out if that would be something that she would collab with me with. And of course, Natalie being Natalie, she said yes, and they sent me over some brooches and different things. These are the brooches I'm talking about. I'm going to show you all the different ones that came in this pack, and I'm using the rose gold on this entire project, but I wanted to do something different. So I came up with this idea of getting the brooches and using the brooches as the ornaments and as the on the ribbons and different things to that nature. And so that's what I did. I took ribbon and I put brooches on them, and I put them in a tree. I put brooches on the little hook things that you put ribbons on. I put brooches on the actual, I think I put some on the branches too. But I know I did, oh, no. I did some on Dollar Tree's chopping mats. I cut them into about 1 inch strips, and I put the brooches on them, and I put them in the tree just like I would if I put them on each little area where the red puffs are, so it's like the brooch is connecting each little puff, but you can't see. Only thing that you can really see is the brooch. And guys, when I tell you it has so much sparkle on this tree, it has so much sparkle. And I put minimum light bulbs on it. I had a red ribbon, and it was the soft ribbon. So I took some of the Dollar Tree chopping mats and I put it inside of, isn't that beautiful? And I took some of the Dollar Tree's chopping mats and put it inside of that ribbon to stabilize it, and I made a bow with it. And I'm just showing you that this ribbon is flexible, and I was showing you that you can use their napkin rings. So if you don't know about Totally Dazzle is a online place that you can get brooches, napkin rings, belt buckle things. Natalie has whatever you want as far as sparkle is concerned. And she also collabs with other YouTubers, and they make mystery bags, and they come up with themes. And like one of the YouTubers did a Halloween theme pack, and you'll see one of the bats. I'm gonna show you one of the bats. And so yeah, this video is self-explanatory. So I just wanted to come in and tell you guys everything that was done with it. You're going to see everything I just told you about in the video, and I don't want to do too much talking. I'm going to try to find some music that isn't copyrighted, because you know, guys, I was telling you that YouTube has put their foot down and said that if us creators get 3 infractions, that we were going to lose our channel. And I would hate the fact that we've been through everything we've been through and then lose everything and can't get it back. And also, guys, I'm cutting the chopping mat in the long way, but I'm gonna realize that I'm not going to need to cut it that way. So the rest of the thing, the next chopping mat, I'm going to cut it in the short manner, and I can get more, and I'm gonna cut it in 1-inch strips instead of about 1.5-inch strips, and so I'll get more out of it. And guys, also, when you're if you decide to use these chopping mats for brooches or any such thing, don't bend them too far. Just bend them over where you can get that bend in them, where you can use you're going to have to use like a hot knife or the tip of your glue gun to actually get a hole started. And see, that's what I mean. Don't do like I just did. I learned from my mistake. I pressed it too hard. So now I'm just going to take a pen and I'm going to mark the center, and then you're not going to see me do this, but off camera I'm going to take the glue gun and I'm going to press it in. But I didn't have the right glue gun downstairs with me, so all it did was kind of weaken the mat in that area, and I was able to push the brooch through. But yes, you're going to need something, a knife or something, to poke holes through the chopping mat. Okay, guys, so with that being said, I'm going to let you guys look at the rest of the video, and I'm going to come back at the end to walk you through the end of the final results of our tree, our Glam Christmas tree. Now, guys, I haven't seen anybody else do this. If y'all know of anybody else that has done this, please let me know. But I think that we are the first. I think Design on a Dollar is the first to do this. So, but if I'm wrong, y'all let me know. So I also wanted to show you that I use the brooches on, you can use the brooches on flowers as well. And I put brooches on the flowers, on some flowers also. And show you this part where all the different styles of that's the bat right there, all the different styles of brooches that they have. And this is they have name cards, and they have sets, the name cards and different things. They have sets. So if you want a whole set for a wedding or a fancy dinner party, they have it. And they even have mystery bags. So if you want to try Totally Dazzle out to see if it's something that you're going to like, order that mystery bag. And they come if you order a lot of the brooches and stuff, you can get their nice little bag that you can store them in. So they treat you real well. And I'm gonna show, it's a picture a card that's gonna come up That's the team right there, Natalie and her team. And also this tells you, the card tells you who your package was um packaged by. Like, if Natalie did it, Natalie will have an X on her thing. And guys, I was also showing you their bling wrap. It is really blingy, and you can use it on the tree as well for a garland, but I didn't do that because I didn't want to over drown the tree. And guys, here it is. Here is the bling tree, and you're going to see all the bling in its glory. I am so proud of this tree. I'm sorry it took so long to get out, and I know Christmas is right around the corner. But you know, everybody put up trees for different holidays. You may want to have a Valentine's Day tree, Mother's Day tree. And so this will give you an idea of what you can do. And so in the daytime, and I also wanted to show you that you can put high-end stuff with Dollar Tree items and make something beautiful. So yeah, guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And when I say that, I truly, truly mean it.